This is the final sunrise of the dinosaur age. 66 million years ago, life thrives in warm coastal forests. Giants rule the land, unaware that above them, racing through silent space, extinction is already on its way. Beneath towering ferns, small mammals move quietly through shadows. Insects hum. The earth trembles gently under distant footsteps. It feels like any other morning in the late Cretaceous, calm, balanced, alive. A Tyrannosaurus rex patrols its territory along a muddy riverbank. Muscles shift beneath scarred skin. It is powerful, dominant, perfectly adapted to this world, never imagining that its reign will end before nightfall. Nearby, a herd of Triceratops grazes peacefully. Adults guard their young horns lowered in instinctive protection. For millions of years, this balance of predator and prey has defined life on Earth. The camera rises above the canopy into a brilliant blue sky. Nothing appears unusual. No storm clouds gather. Yet beyond this peaceful atmosphere, a silent traveler speeds closer every second. 10 kilometers wide, a mountain of rock drifts through space. Scarred by ancient collisions, it has wandered the solar system for billions of years. Today, its path intersects with Earth. Drawn by gravity, the asteroid accelerates. Earth grows larger in the darkness ahead. Oceans shimmer, continents rotate into view. The collision course is now unavoidable. As it strikes the upper atmosphere, air compresses violently. The sky ignites around it. Plasma forms in a blazing halo. The object now moves faster than any living creature could ever comprehend. On the ground, dinosaurs look upward. A brilliant star appears in daylight, growing brighter by the second. Instinct senses danger, but there is nowhere to run. The asteroid now dominates the horizon. Air superheats. Shockwaves race ahead of impact. Forests tremble. In less than a heartbeat, the world will change forever. The collision releases energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. Ocean water vaporizes instantly. Rock melts. A blinding flash marks the precise second the age of dinosaurs begins to end. Beneath the ocean, bedrock liquefies under unimaginable pressure. A towering column of debris blasts into the sky, punching through the atmosphere and carrying Earth itself into chaos. Shockwaves ripple across continents. The ground splits. Forests collapse. An earthquake greater than any in human history shakes the entire planet simultaneously. Seconds later, a wall of compressed air slams through inland forests. Trees snap like splinters. Dinosaurs are thrown from their feet. The sound alone is catastrophic. Molten fragments rain back through the atmosphere. The sky glows red. Across continents, forests ignite at once. Heat radiates like an open furnace across the surface of Earth. In the ocean, displaced water forms waves kilometers high. They race outward from the impact site, carrying destruction across every coastline in their path. The tsunami smashes into coastal jungles. Trees vanish beneath churning water. Entire ecosystems disappear in minutes, swallowed by unstoppable force. High above, debris spreads around the planet. Dust and ash begin to block sunlight. The atmosphere thickens into a shroud that will linger for years. From space, Earth now glows with fire. Forests burn across vast distances. Smoke columns merge into a global haze, dimming the sun itself. Daylight fades into an eerie twilight. Ash falls like gray snow. Temperatures begin to drop. The age of warmth and abundance is ending. A wounded Tyrannosaurus wanders through smoke and ash. Its dominance means nothing now. Survival depends not on strength, but on resilience. With sunlight blocked, plants can no longer photosynthesize. Leaves wither. Food chains collapse from the ground up. Starvation begins. Sulfur released by the impact mixes with water vapor. Acid rain falls across burned landscapes, poisoning rivers and stripping the last fragile leaves from trees. In the oceans, plankton die in massive numbers. Marine reptiles struggle in darkened waters. the foundation of marine life disintegrates. Weeks pass in darkness. Temperatures plummet. Frost coats once tropical forests. Cold replaces heat as Earth enters a prolonged impact winter. A weakened herd of triceratops collapses together. There is no vegetation left to sustain them. Silence spreads across a world once filled with thunderous footsteps. The Tyrannosaurus lowers itself to the ash-covered ground. Breathing slows, then stops. The most powerful land predator in history has fallen. Yet beneath fallen logs, life persists. Insects endure in sheltered pockets. Small, unnoticed survivors begin to inherit a broken world. Underground, a small mammal waits in its burrow. Warm, protected, patient. It feeds on stored seeds while giants above vanish forever. Months later, the surface is gray and silent. Skeletons lie half-buried. The reign of dinosaurs has officially ended. Slowly, the atmosphere begins to clear. Faint rays of sunlight pierce the darkness. The planet prepares to rebuild. A single green shoot pushes through ash. Life, fragile but determined, begins again. The small mammal leaves its burrow cautiously. The world is empty, but full of opportunity. Seas grow quieter. Ecosystems slowly reorganize. Evolution resets under a changed sky. Sediment covers bones. Over millions of years, pressure transforms remains into stone. A record of extinction is sealed within Earth. Continents drift. Climates stabilize. Forests return. The planet heals, though the dinosaurs never will. Mammals diversify. They grow larger, smarter, more adaptable. A new era has begun. Encased in rock, a dinosaur's skull waits patiently, its story preserved for a distant future. Millions of years later, humans brush dust from ancient fossils. We uncover evidence of a day that reshaped life forever. In laboratories, scientists analyze iridium layers and shocked quartz, clues pointing to a massive asteroid impact. Using data and simulation, researchers recreate the catastrophic collision that ended the Cretaceous period. Models reveal wildfire zones, tsunami paths, and atmospheric changes that encircled the planet. The asteroid measured nearly 10 kilometers wide, large enough to trigger global extinction. Approximately 75% of all species vanished in this event. It remains one of Earth's greatest biological crises. Tonight we stand beneath a peaceful sky, unaware of how fragile stability truly is. A small meteor streaks harmlessly overhead, a reminder that space is never truly quiet. From orbit, Earth appears calm and blue. Yet its history is written in scars. The camera drifts into deep space. Our planet becomes a small sphere in vast darkness. The last day of the dinosaurs was not just an ending, it was a beginning. Because without that catastrophic day, mammals would not rise, and we would never exist.